So you might be looking for a way to start creating, or you're just wondering, can you create an ammunition farm here in Surrounded? Well, it is possible, but there is a bit of setup here that you need to do. So first things first is you want to go to a very specific area here. So currently we are in the Tropical Shell Hotel. So in here, this is where we could actually start farming our ammunition. So what we need to do is you want to go and just go to this hotel, and you want to go and just clear the hotel first. So this is really important. Clear the zombies first, and once you've cleared them, you need to build this specific structure that I've built. Now somebody else did it before already. So what you need to do is you just need to create a cage. So first cage here is going to be where you're going to be standing on. Just make sure that if when you create your platform here, you want to make sure that when you jump over it, you can actually stand on it, because you'll need this to escape the zombies later on. So I'll be showing you how to exactly use this. But yeah, so once you do build once you build this section here, a platform that is caged in, so make sure that the entrance, or the only entrance that you'll be seeing in here, is going to be that area here, or that area there. So that's the only open space that you need to make sure that that is really open. Now, in this case, once you do build your first cage here, where you'll be standing, you want to create this second area here. So it's going to be just one big area. So what's going to be one big open area here. So yeah, and you want to also build a small cage here for your generator, because you'll need to power on your turrets later on. So yeah, so with your turrets, so just to give you an idea, I'm going to take one of my turrets here, and I'm going to actually, let's just pick this up real quickly. So I'm going to paste add this or place this real quickly. So I'm going to place it. As you can see right now, it's not being placed. So what you need to do is you want to go and just place this in here, and you want to go and just basically hold shift on your keyboard and then scroll up, so it's going to hover in place. Now you want to make sure that it's actually quite a bit high, so that zombies won't be able to destroy your turrets. So like this one. So yeah, so you want to go and just make sure that two turrets are actually facing the entrance of your cage here, and two turrets are facing inside your turret. So basically what we're doing here is we're going to make a kind of like a circle cage here, where zombies are going to just keep running around, and you'll be shooting them or running them down in here, and you can just start looting them as soon as they all go down. So yeah, so how do you exactly use this? Now, by the way, this is the whole structure, just to give you some idea. So yeah, one cage at the end, and one whole open space in here to cage your zombies in, and four turrets and one generator. So that's the only thing that you need. So yeah, how do you use this? Well, first things first, you want to go and just basically save this. Let's go and just click on save. Click on this one. Let's go and just click on save. Click on yes. And once you've done that, you want to go and just go to your quit to main menu option here. Click on yes. And once you've done that, what we need to do next is you want to go ahead and go and continue your game. So you can click on continue. Now, what this will actually do, this will basically respawn the zombies and even the boss in the area. So let's just wait for a while in here. But once it's actually done, as you can see, we've just spawned in. Wait for a while until all zombies actually spawns in as well. But yeah, so in here, let's go and just move around. The zombies are spawning in. You want to go and just attract the zombies. So that's the boss. So what you could do is you could just quickly shoot them to make some noise, and you could just start running into your cage here. And as you can see, it's now going to start farming the zombies. And as long as you're in the end, the boss, you won't have to worry about the boss. It's going to start running at the very end. It's going to start their farm, and again, you just need to wait for the zombies to be down. So it might take a while, so you could just sit for a while in here. But once they are down, you can go and start farming or looting them. And the zombies are now down, so there might be some that's still up. Yeah. So in this case, you could go and just go down, start looting them, start getting your ammunition as you would. So you go and just go through all this loot here. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.